Greetings, intelligent viewers. I'm David from Perth, Australia, one of the world's most livable cities. Welcome to this week's edition of Healthy Living, where we will explore the health benefits of animal-assisted therapy in alleviating the symptoms of chronic illnesses and providing a general sense of well-being. Many people share wonderful childhood memories of growing up with their furry, adorable, non-human siblings. Children build a strong and close emotional bond with animal companions and even share secrets and have heart-to-heart talks with them during challenging times. These animals can be of any type, but they all share one thing in common. They are always ready to give love unconditionally. This non-judgmental affection can bring people a sense of comfort and security. Not only are they known for their guardian qualities, but it has also been noted as far back as in ancient Greek history that animals bring beneficial effects in the context of therapy, such as the therapeutic partnerships between horses and humans. Indeed, there are many benefits from incorporating animals into therapy, such as improved focus, fine motor skills and social skills, and reduced anxiety, blood pressure and depression, and much more. A wide array of animals are currently trained to meet patients' various needs, including dogs, cats, llamas, and rabbits. Animal-assisted activities, or AAA, and animal-assisted therapy, or AAT, are two commonly used terms nowadays for this type of treatment. Animal-assisted activities are often delivered by a trained professional or volunteer who brings suitable animals to visit patients in various settings, such as hospitals, long-term care centres, and nursing homes. The activities generally do not have specific treatment goals and can be for short or long periods to meet each patient's needs. Like AAA, animal-assisted therapy also serves to improve a person's quality of life from physical and psychological aspects, but does this through a planned and more structured treatment. This type of therapy is often organised and carried out by professional health service providers who specialise in applying human-animal interactions in clinical settings. The therapy session is carried out for a period of time and carefully documented for evaluation of results. In short, AAA is carried out from a therapist's perspective, looking for suitable animals for casual meet and greet sessions. And the same activity can be applied to many different people. On the other hand, AAT starts from a patient's perspective to adopt a suitable animal according to the patient's needs. While dogs are the most commonly seen four-legged activity friends, the number of other animals participating in the healing work is on the rise. The healing crew can include cats, birds, horses, rabbits, and even reptiles. If your four-legged friend wants to take it to the next level and specialize in healing like humans do in a health profession, they can complete a training course. Training sessions may consist of things like greeting exercises, familiarization with hospital equipment, instructions on safe handling for the one accompanying the animal, etc. Once certified, the animal will be ready to assist in all kinds of work settings such as schools. Stress can be challenging for students returning to school. Not only do they have to deal with a rigorous curriculum, projects and exams, but other factors may also make them feel pressured, such as moving away from home for the first time or being in a different social scene. All kinds of new challenges that students face in post-secondary environments can be very stressful experiences, which have been associated with depression and anxiety. In response, Assistant Professor John Tyler Binford has spent the past 5 years at the University of British Columbia, Okanagan, Canada, offering a drop-in animal-assisted therapy initiative called Building Academic Retention Through Canines, also known as BARK or BARK. Psychology Today recently cited his initiative as one of the most creative animal therapy programs at a post-secondary institution. Previous research from the BARK therapy program shows that canine therapy works, and Professor Binford wanted to know what length of time was actually required to start seeing encouraging results. Students participating in a demographic survey were asked about the degree of stress and homesickness after the therapy. The results of survey were published in Anthrozoos, a a top human-animal interaction germ, showing that a brief and concentrated animal therapy session lasting 20 minutes with a therapy dog can significantly lower students' level of stress and homesickness compared to controlled participants who did not spend time with a therapy dog. Moreover, the canine therapy may even be a useful tool for students to better cope with stress. According to Professor Binford, the research has proven that short animal therapy sessions significantly reduce both stress and a feeling of homesickness in students. Yet, that same session with a therapy dog significantly increases a student's sense of belonging to their school. Professor Binford now encourages parents to make sure their children are aware of and use animal therapy if it's available at their school. He said, "It is becoming increasingly common for post-secondary administrators to expand the support available to students to ensure they are socially and emotionally sustained. Providing opportunities for stress reduction through canine-assisted therapy could impact students' engagement in classes, their achievement, and decrease dropout rates in post-secondary settings." Even though more research is needed, Professor Binford agrees with the idea that animal-assisted therapy programs could make a constructive impact to support mental health promotion in post-secondary school environments. In Canada, some post-secondary institutions have already adopted animal therapy programs to help students relieve stress during final exam period. Healthcare providers also find animal therapy to be helpful in enhancing patients' mood and physical well-being. A dog is more than just a man's best friend at Sioux Trails Mental Health Clinic in Minnesota, USA. Outpatient therapist Carol Leninanen offers animal-assisted therapy with her dog companion named Jade, a 7-year-old chocolate Labrador Retriever. Jade is a certified therapy dog by Therapy Dogs International and helps patients relax through the process. Jade is very keen at detecting patients' emotions and gives Ms. Leninanen cues about patients' mental states. When patients are distressed or crying, Jade will sit next to them on the couch. Ms. Leninanen has noticed Jade moves and sits by a person when she senses tension. Carol Leninanen thinks that it's stressful to talk about hard topics, so being able to pet Jade helps people. That's what Jade is there for, to provide comfort and support. According to Sioux Trails Executive Director Catherine Job, patients perform better in school or work and they are healthier. Just having Jade around in the building helps improve everyone's mood. In an interview with the Irish Dog Journal on December 16, 2009, Supreme Master Ching Hai talked about animals' unconditional love for humans.
Sometimes the animals take on the sickness or stress to direct it away from their human companions. Animal telepathic communicators often don't need to be in the physical presence of the animal. Isn't that amazing? But it's natural, actually. We all have it, just we don't have time to remember. These communicators can speak through long distance, so some of them are also able to help people locate and find their companions who get lost even. Apart from these very beneficial practical services, the communicators may be able to tell you about your animal friend's feeling toward you and their deep unconditional love or loyalty to you, as well as what their mission is in life. In many cases, the animals came to help their caregiver develop spiritually in his or her life. Many animals, both in the wild and domesticated, are very psychic and know everything about you, about your past life, your present and future life. But they never judge you. These noble beings only want humans to remember our own love, dignity, and divinity. And the communicators help us to see what a real blessing the animals provide in our lives. And not just the domestic animals, but all of them.
When we return, we will learn more about how the ambassador dogs in Vancouver International Airport help passengers and employees reduce stress from travel or work. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television.